Officials from government and the U.S. military toured the new facility recently completed on the grounds of the Western Regional Hospital in Belmopan. It's designed to host patients who require intensive psychiatric treatment in a specialized setting.
It's a short stay facility for those who, for whatever reason, develop an acute psychosis. Usually then we would deal with the acute psychosis through our mental health unit, and then hopefully the patient would progress into a community-based approach, which is our award-winning, internationally recognized approach to mental health care services. Of course, we have the Palm Center for long stay. But this facility has been constructed. It's a value of about $1 million. And it's been constructed free of cost to the Belizean taxpayer through the New Horizons 2014 project. That's the project that also saw clinics in Corozal, clinics in Toledo, and surgical clinics for urology specialists in Belize City at Carl Hushner, and of course dental care as well, provided along with our national dental health care program.
Allen says the building is just one example of a long-term cooperation program between Belize and the U.S., which has resulted in numerous initiatives.
They are secure rooms for patients who, in an acute psychosis, and they may actually harm themselves or others. So we do require for a particular category of patients a secure room where our mental health staff, our psychiatric nurse practitioners, our psychiatrists, can monitor the acute illness and treat the patient until they are stable and controlled. You know, sometimes I like to draw the simile with patients who undergo an acute diabetic crisis, either hyperglycemic crisis or a hypoglycemic crisis, and you find that patients can actually fall quickly into a coma or a very dangerous state, but then once they are provided with proper care and attention, they will quickly become controlled again, their blood sugar becomes controlled, and can function quite normally as anybody else in society.
This health facility is one of the 5 projects that the Belize Defense Force engineers have been working with the U.S. forces here. This building in particular took only 63 days to be constructed. They started in early April, and including today, it's 63 days total working days they've been working here. Apart from this building, the BDF has also assisted with the construction of schools at the Edward P. York, Hatteville, St. Vernon, and Stella Maris. This New Horizons is an effort that Belize tries to get, if possible, every year. It's difficult, but I've always been trying at least every 3 years for New Horizons project to occur here in Belize, because Belize benefit from education and from health. Because apart from the healthcare facility that was constructed here, we have the buildings of schools, and we do have doctors and surgeons that come in from the U.S. forces to provide medical attention for Belizeans here.
Facilities are one thing, but Belize has lacked the capability to train individuals to handle specialized care of psychiatrically inclined wards. CEO Allen says that this program with the U.S. encompasses all that.
We are looking to train another cadre, another cohort of psychiatric nurse practitioners. They do such a great job, but we always have to retrain our people. So in the past, we've done that with the help of the University of Belize and a partnership in Canada. So we are looking to introduce that training project again at UB. But the human resource in the end with health systems is absolutely imperative to the proper functioning of infrastructure such as this building. You're quite correct.
New Horizon has brought development to the nation, but the perception is that the BDF, with its engineer corps, could do much more. Jones told us that the BDF is ready and able to launch a local rehabilitation initiative.
We do have the capability, and if the decision is taken for the BDF to assist, we are willing and always able to do it, because we have a company of flight engineers. Apart from working with U.S. forces, our engineers are normally occupied doing construction work on a military basis for the BDF, because they are responsible to do the refurbishment and construction for those buildings. Apart from the bases, they go out in the mountain parish areas. There are other facilities that the BDF engineers has to maintain. But if the opportunity is there, and we have done it before, we've assisted other schools, we've assisted private citizens with construction and refurbishment of their homes. If the opportunity is there, the BDF is able and will be willing to assist.
New Horizon this week inaugurated a new project at the Stella Maris facility in Belize City. Mike Rodon for News 5.